It is time for us to engage in an honest assessment of where New Jersey stands relative to other large pension systems and determine if we are getting our money's worth.
The average public employee pension benefit is under $30,000 a year. It's a little higher for state workers versus local government workers. So with an average pension of $30,000 a year, the only folks that are getting rich off the system are the hedge fund managers and the alternative investment managers that are reaping the benefits of these performance fees and management fees totaling $600 million a year.
That $600 million eventually comes out of the taxpayer's pocket. All of this comes out of the taxpayer's pocket. Hopefully we're making money on our investments. The money we're taking from the taxpayers is returning whatever it returns, hopefully at the highest, but it's all from the taxpayer.
Now, the alternative managers, as you know, they charge higher fees than the traditional managers. Roughly 4 or 5 times the fee for a traditional manager, and for an index fund, they would be about 20 times more expensive. So, huge difference in fees, and to justify that kind of fee, they're basically saying, look, we're going to provide higher returns, we provide diversification, we provide lower risk. None of these assertions have been proved scientifically.
But as of fiscal year 2014, according to their own annual report, the Division of Investment staff managed 74% of the $80 billion fund, and they did that for $10 million bucks. Compare that to what we are being charged for the alternative investment program, $600 million in fees for a fraction of the fund.
I think the $1.5 billion the funds put into these alternative investments has been a bad deal. And it's generally a bad deal for most states that have pursued the same course of action.
But now we're at the stage where 2 months ago we've passed this motion for an actuarial audit. And to date, we are no closer now than we were the day before we started this.
Our membership and their financial survival for 20, 25, 30 years of their lives depends on the survival of this pension system. So it only, in my mind, puts a stronger emphasis on every dollar that is spent.